What's up, gang? It's Sernoskie with LePage Team Realty. Today I'm in Carlsbad Springs. Where the hell is that? No, I'm just kidding. Carlsbad Springs is a good location. It's about 25 minutes east of downtown Ottawa. Just want to check out my listing here. Some cars driving by, but I'll show you the outside before you go in. All right, so here's the outside of the property. You got a detached garage, and then here's the house itself here. Nice little spot, front entry over there, and coming up this way, this is the side entry. Beware of the dog. You can enter the house there, and then coming into the back, there's actually a lot of space here. It's fully fenced. You can see the lot. It's kind of an irregular lot, but it has like 200 by 200 depth from like the farthest points. We go check here. You can see fully fenced. Tons of space back here. Tons of space. It is close to the train, but I've been here when the train's gone by. It doesn't really make that much noise. And just before we go in, I'll show you the two-car garage. It's older. They don't build them like this anymore. You can see some pillars in the middle, but could be a good home workshop. I'm still in the garage here, but anyways, pretty cool property. It's actually zoned VM, which is village mixed use. And you know, it's commercial, leisure, residential, so you could actually probably have a home business here. Alrighty, we're in the house now at our new listing, 6472 Russell Road in Carlsbad Springs. Just want to show you around. It's a nice little property, 3-bedroom, over 2 floors. It's an older house, has some really good updates done to it, like the windows, roof, furnace, AC. Could use a little bit of a personal touch, but I'll show you around here. So this is entering through the side door. You can see it's pretty open. It's nice and bright. There's John. See, open kind of kitchen, and swing this around here. You can see, again, could use some updates, but it's in really good shape. You come back over here. This goes down into the basement. It's unfinished, but very clean. Lots of storage down here. Not a very high ceiling. I can pretty much hit my head, but it's good. A little bit of laundry down here. And there is the utilities. Nice touch with the purple stairs. Come back this way, swing around. Here is the bathroom. The one caveat about buying this house is that you have to keep that tub if you move in. Alrighty, I'm gonna head over this way. Here's your little living room area. That's actual hardwood floor that could be refinished. It's pretty nice. And that hardwood floor actually extends all the way out. Let's see, this is actually the front door of the property here. You see there's the outside here in Carlsbad. And all right, so back from the front of the house, there is a bedroom here to the right. Nice and bright. That looks like a queen size bed, so there's some space. I'm gonna head upstairs. Up here, there's 2 bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Pretty good size. Again, another big bed. Little home office area. See the backyard. Tons of space in the backyard. Lots of space. There's actually a closet here, kind of like a walk-in. And head over here to the other bedroom. Again, pretty good space. And there's even a little makeup table there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for inside here. I actually lied. I already did the outside before we went in. So anyways, that's it. That's our new listing. It's gonna be going live this week on the MLS.